Most professional services firms leave business development to a handful of people. That's risky. When business development is ad hoc, growth becomes unpredictable and opportunities get missed. The solution doesn't start with activities. It starts with a clear business development strategy. But before you even think about business development, you need an overall business strategy for your firm. What growth are you aiming for? Where should that growth come from? And are you willing to commit time and budget to making it happen? Then build your business development strategy at a team or departmental level. Each team should focus on a core set of services, ones that are profitable, in demand, aligned to your expertise, and that people actually enjoy delivering. For each service, define the ideal client. Be specific. When you know who you're trying to build relationships with, it becomes much easier to choose the right business development activities. A little thinking up front creates clarity, focus, and better results for years to come.